Today we will learn about Indian system, then place value, then expanded form, then compact form. We have completed exercise 1A and 1B in previous online class. Now today we will learn about exercise 1C. First C. Question number 1. Read and write down in words the following numbers in Indian system. Now what are Indian systems? Let us understand about Indian system. What are Indian systems? Here you can see some digits are written 7351678661. According to the Indian system, we will put first comma after 3 digit from the right hand side. 1 2 3 means we will put over here the first comma. Now the second comma we will put after 5 digit from the right hand side. 1 2 3 4 5 means over here. Now moving on, the third comma we will put after 7 digit from the right hand side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 means here. Now first comma in Indian system is known as thousands, thousand, and the second comma from the right hand side is known as lakh, whereas the third comma from the right hand side is known as crore. Now we will write this numerical value in word. So we will start from left hand side, that is we will write first of all 73 in word, like this one 73. Then we will write the first comma from the left hand side in word, that is crore. Then we will write the next value, next numerical value which is given between the comma, that is 51. Then we will write the next comma in word, that is lakh, 51 lakh. Then we will write the next numerical value between the comma, that is 67. Then we will write the next comma in word, that is thousand. Then we will write the rest of the numerical value, that is 861. 861. This is called the Indian system. Now moving on, in second question, express in numerals but in Indian system. Here you can see one example is written, that is 73 crore 51 lakh 6052. It is very easy in converting. First of all, we will write this numerical value 73. Then moving on, crore. You know about crore, it is a comma in Indian system, so we will write comma instead of crore. Now moving on, 51 lakh. 51 is a numerical value but lakh is a comma, so we will write comma over here. Now moving on, 6000. Here is a point to understand, that is between two commas. Look at here very carefully. Between two commas there should be two digit, like 5173. Between two comma there should be two digit. If you find a single digit, it means you will bound to take 0 before giving single digit, that is 6. So here you will write 0 6. Then here you can see 1000, it means it is a comma, so you will write comma over here. Now moving on, 52. Again, here is a very important point to understand the Indian system. Last ending digits should be 3 digits. If you find less than 3 digit, it means you will write 0 before the given digit. Here you can see 52, it is less than 3 digit, it means you will bound 0 before 52, like this one, 052. Number 1 and 2 we have learned. Now question number 3, state the place value of, in the first part 8 in 287, in second part 7 in 7002. Now question is that what is place value? Place value is the value of each digit in a number. Let's take an example, 500 82. It is made up of 500 and 80 and 2 rather than 582. If you say that it is made up of 582, it is wrong. It is made up of 582, means the place value of 5 in 582 is 500, and the place value of 8 in 582 is 80, and the place value of 2 in 582 is only 2. That is the place value. According to the question, we take another example. 7 in 876, means here you are to find out the value of place value of 7 in 876. So first of all we will write 876 equal to, now what will be the answer? So read carefully this number, 876. 876 means your answer will be 70, because you are to find out the value of only 7, not 800, not 6, only 7, so answer will be 70. That is the answer. Another example, here you can see 2 in 5523 1. Now here you can see that they are 5-digit number. So first of all we will write 55231, and you can read this number as 55,231. Listen again, 55,231 means here the value of place value of 2 is 200. 231. 200. Now moving on, question number 4, find the difference between the place values of, the first part is 6 in 6,15,265 and so on. There are 4 parts. Let's take an example. If I write 7 in 70712, here are 2 7, so there are 2 place value of the 7. Now first of all we write the first place value of 7. First place value of 7 equal to, what will be the place value of first 7? Read the number very carefully, 70,712. 70,000. 70,000. So here 70,000, this is the 70,000. Now the second place value of 7 equal to, now read again carefully, 70,712. 712, it is 100, so here we write 700. Now these are the 2 place value of 7 in 70,712. Now according to the question, difference between 2 place values of 7. Now first of all we will write the greater place value, that is 70,000. Then we will write the smaller place value, that is 700. Now we will subtract both place values. Here we get, after subtracting, 00396 means 69,300. That is the answer. Now moving on, question number 5 and 6, express each of the following numbers in expanded form, and question number 6, write the numbers whose expanded forms are given below. Now first of all we will understand about the expanded form. What are expanded forms? In expanded form we break up the number according to their place values for showing value of each digit. Let's take an example. If I write 571, means you can read very easily 571. 500. Now read carefully, 500. According to the place value we will write first of all 500, then plus, then 71. 70 plus 1. In the further step we can write 500. 5 into 100 plus 70 means 7 into 10 plus 1 into 1. Let's take another example to understand the expanded form. If I write 7658, Now read the number very carefully. 7,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 8. Now in the further step you can see that how many digits after 7. There are 3 digits, 1 2 3. So here we will write 7 into 1000 because there are 3 digits. That's why we will multiply by 1000 plus 6. Then how many digits after 6? There are 2 digits, so we will multiply by 100 plus, now here you can see only one digit after 5, so we will multiply by 10, that is 10 plus, here you can see in the end of the number there is no digit after 8, so we will multiply only by 1. That is the answer. Moving on, question number 6. In question number 6 you will write in number or in compact form. This is the expanded form given, that is 7 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 9. So first of all we will multiply 7 into 1000, we get 7000 plus, after multiplying here we get 200 plus here we get 50 plus 9. Now after getting here we get 7259, that is the answer, and this form is also known as compact form, and this form which is given in the breakup numbers is known as expanded form. Now it's all about the exercise. Now moving on, question number 7. Compare each of the following pairs by putting greater than or smaller than in the empty boxes, and I think you are able to do. Now question number 8. Rearrange the numbers in each part from the largest to the smallest. Means you have to write in descending form. You have to start from the largest and move towards the smallest number. That is called the descending form. Hope you understand the chapter. Now do this work in your register. Have a good day.